Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about Ecamm Live, which is the streaming software for Macs that you're able to stream live to Facebook, YouTube, and Periscope. And maybe you want to incorporate a demonstration of an app on an iPhone or an iPad. Now there's going to be a way that you can do this utilizing a third-party software, and then we're also going to show you a workaround if you are trying to incorporate this without the third-party software. Now, the third-party software that we're going to be utilizing in this demonstration is going to be called AirServer. Okay, I got this as a bundle package back in the day. Very neat program, and we're going to use it inside Ecamm because Ecamm will pick this up as a viable source for video. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you the program. Now, the AirServer program, as I mentioned, it's $19 at the time of this recording to purchase. I would recommend purchasing it. Like I said, great software, but you are able to download the trial version to see if it's going to be something that's going to work for you. Once you download it, go ahead and install it. You'll see the little icon here, and when we click on this icon here, we're able to right-click and go to Preferences. Inside here, where it says General, we're able to give it a computer name. Okay, you can name it whatever you would like, something that would be convenient for you to remember. And now we're going to utilize this to be able to AirPlay or stream our phone to our screen here in Ecamm. So let's go ahead and pull up Ecamm. All right. So on the phone itself, let's go ahead and take a look at it. You're going to go ahead and swipe up. It doesn't matter on the home screen or wherever you're at, and you'll see this button right here where it says mirror, screen mirroring. You click on it, you'll be presented with this, and you can see that the server there is the Mac. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and now you can see inside Ecamm that it is now picking that up as a source. So I have my camera, and I have the camera here that I'm going to call this a camera for you to go ahead and mirror. All right. You will also see another program pop up maybe behind your screen. It looks very similar to this. Okay. I don't need it. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. I'm just going to go ahead and use my Ecamm for demonstrating what it's looking like. Hit the home button again, and then now we're able to go ahead and show you everything here. So, I mean, you are able to sign in apps. You're able to, show people exactly what's going on. I will tell you this, that there are some programs out there that are not going to be suitable for the AirServer, but I would say try these things before you go ahead and try to make your live demo the first time that you try everything out. So as you can see, the Mario Run crashed that thing. Okay, now again, this will allow you to stream and do a demo on whatever kind of app that you're looking to do. Okay, now let's talk about ways for you to to go ahead and do it a free way. Okay, if you don't want to do it the AirServer way, there is an alternative for you guys to think about, and that is going to be simply recording your iOS screen device. Okay, there is a built-in function here inside the phone that allows you to screen record, and when you screen record, it will put the video in the Photos app. Okay, once you're done recording. So let's go ahead and show you how you are able to do something like this. So what I've done is I pre-recorded on my iPhone a way for you to get the recording button to be able to show up on your home screen. So how do we get that button on the control panel on the iPhone? That's the goal. So I went ahead and recorded this. And so inside Ecamm, this is what I would recommend you guys doing. If you're not looking to do it the AirServer way, simply record it and then do a voiceover. And that's what I'm going to do right now, because the screen record didn't record any kind of audio, that the microphone or anything like that, while I recorded the demo. So I'm going to go ahead and pretend that I wanted to demo to my audience a screen recording of the how to get the screen recording button on your control panel. So here it is. And so right here, if you see down there at the bottom left, you see the little recording button. Okay, it's flashed, and that means that you are now actively recording. Push the home button, and then if you don't see that, you're going to go ahead and press the settings, go to the control panel, and now you can scroll all the way down to the bottom and find it in alphabetical order for the screen recording. Hit the plus button, and now it will appear in your home control panel settings. And then once you're finished, all you have to do is swipe up and push the record button one more time. Okay, but that is how you would be able to do a live recording, because it does give it to you in an MP4 format, and that allows you to drop and drag that into your Ecamm software. Okay, so we have two options there. You can do a pre-recording within the built-in iOS. You have the AirServer. Obviously, if you have programs like ScreenFlow and QuickTime, you are able to connect your phone via lightning cable and simply record from it. Okay, but this does give you a couple options that would be available to you if you are looking to demo something that is on your phone or tablet to show your viewers, and just do a live voiceover if you're not looking to go the AirServer route. Okay, but hey, thanks guys for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and post your questions down below. I'll see if I can answer them. Okay.